Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one step solution for all your defense need. So, friends, today I bring you the information regarding the AFSB interview from the 24th May to 28th May 2021 at the Air Force Selection Board Guwahati. It's the 5th AFSB and it is the first batch for the civilian candidates. And this batch is for the FCAT 1 2021 and the batch number was GU FCAT M515. So friends, at the 5th Air Force Selection Board Guwahati, reported were 37 and 11 were freshers and 5 were screen out and 21 were repeaters. And this batch also include two previously recommended candidate. And now talking about friends the OIR booklet. So OIR booklet were 74 and 75. This include 50 questions and 27 minutes were provided for each. And level of this booklet was easy to moderate and the question was from the jumble words and completion of figure mostly. There was no dice problem or no dictionary problem included in this booklet. Now talking about the PPDT picture friends, the PPDT picture was as similar which is shown in this picture in the screen. There were 4 character, 1 male, 1 female and 2 male character backside at far distance. Mood were positive, male, female walking on a way and were discussing something. Background was like college, library or company based on perception, and on the gate there was a gate visible and there was a duty guard and a guy was coming out of the gate. So friends, the PPTT story written by the candidates were on related to project making like computer programming or the farming techniques, sanitation initiative, library scene, studying for the UPSC and bouncing back from the failure, management company presentation, and defense aspirant whose motivation was boosted by his friend. Finally, he got through and selected for the Air Force. So, in the 5th AFSB Guwahati, 22 got screened in that particular batch, 10 were fresher plus screen out, and 12 were repeaters. Only one recommended candidate got screen out and one got screen in. So friends, now talking about the thematic perception test, a school, a college building with two friends going out and one waving hand. And the second was a lady moving through a storm among a tall grass. A demolished building, two children looking for something. An officer sitting behind a desk and a soldier standing. Two men, one on a hill, one below it, and a water body separated by land between men. An old lathe machine workshop, a man standing looking into a trunk which had files and few men through the window. An old lady standing behind a man on a chair and seems to be in negative mode. So these were the thematic perception test pictures shown over there. And now talking about the group discussion, topic number 1 was what do you think is the reason for the global warming? Lead topics were deforestation, industrialization and agriculture. Talking about the optional GD topic, it was what led to improvement of the sports in India in previous years. It was the recognition or the infrastructure. The GD number 2 was one nation, one election, what will be the impact on? Is it the economy, administration or the citizens? Now talking about the lecture topic friends. So for the group 1 it was should India focus on agriculture or industries? Is live-in relationship better than marriage? Is old age home alternative for old people? Who is your favorite person of millennium? And the permanent seat of India in United Nations? India's missile program, deforestation and economic reform in India. Now talking about the group 2 lecture topics, mobile phone, boon or curse? Is India moving away from a secular state? Success is all about human resource. 12th one is transportation, and the 13th one was bureaucracy from the EEIC to present. What do you think of government policy? And the last topic was sports and fitness in India. Now, talking about friends, the recommendation rate, the recommendation from that batch was 1, and that was a repeater. He got in. No previously recommended candidate got recommended from this batch. And friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe our channel, and just hit the bell icon for latest information, and keep sharing this video among your friends and fellow defense aspirant for awareness and information purposes. So till then friends, meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, thank you so much.